Okay, let's get started. Surface mount video number 1. Hopefully you're ready. You got your checklist, you've got your supplies and tools in place. Let's get started here in the restroom. I've got Brett and Chris, both from RMSE. Chris, our technician, Brett, my goodness gracious, we're not making Chris's job any easier on him in this kind of environment.
Correct. No, we've given him a very small space to work in. We've given him tile walls. The sinks are on top of him. This is about as difficult as it gets.
But if you can do it here, you can do it anywhere.
Anywhere.
Absolutely. Let's give our viewers at home a bird's eye view. Let's get out of the shot and we're gonna let Chris do his thing. All right, Chris is removing the old paper towel dispenser in preparation for the hand dryer install.
Yes, he's removing the old mounting hardware so that the dryer has a nice smooth surface to mount to. Here Chris is marking the specific locations for the mounting holes. He's making sure to use the correct heights as specified by the manufacturer. The heights are located in the instructions. It is extremely important that the dryer meets certain ADA guidelines where applicable. Make sure you also use the correct tools, such as a hammer drill, as Chris is using here. It's also extremely important that the dryer be level upon installation. It's highly recommended that a trained professional perform this electrical installation. Here, the proper gauge wire is being routed into the electrical panel based on the voltage that the dryer is rated for. XLERATOR comes in a range of voltages to meet varying electrical services. The wire is being routed to a new 20 amp breaker. XLERATOR can also be installed on 15 amp breakers, which is important when retrofitting older buildings. Depending on the voltage, the dryer may need to be on a dedicated circuit and appropriate breaker. In this case, the dryer needs a dedicated circuit. One more wire and the XLERATOR will be good to go at the other end of the restroom. While the wired circuit is still off in the panel, Chris is bringing the other end down the wall with a snake in the location of the knockout on the XLERATOR base plate. He is screwing the electrical connector to the base plate and following the electrical schematic sticker located on the hand dryer for wire connections. With the power still off, the cover is installed to the hand dryer using 2 tamper-proof screws and a wrench, which are provided with all units. Lastly, power is installed and the unit is ready for use. XLERATOR offers the XLERATOR Hand Dryer Wall Guard. The wall guard is an anti-microbial shield made specifically to fit underneath your hand dryer. This will protect your walls from water spray that may be blown off of wet hands by XLERATOR's powerful airstream. To install the wall guard, clean the wall surface with isopropyl alcohol. This will make sure the surface is dry and free of any dust or debris. Center the wall guard underneath the hand dryer so the top of the wall guard is 1 inch below the bottom of the dryer. 4 strips of double-sided tape are included for each panel. Apply the tape strips to the textured side of the black or white panel and the smooth side of the brushed stainless panel as shown. Lay the tape out according to the illustration that's included in your instructions. Press each tape strip firmly onto the plastic or stainless steel as it is applied. Continue until all 4 strips are applied. Alignment is critical. Once the wall guard is placed, it can't be repositioned. Align the top edge of the wall guard with the markings on the wall and firmly press into place. If you'd like to, you could even apply a small bead of silicone sealant around the edge. To clean your wall guard, use mild soapy water and a soft cloth. Mild dish soap mixed with water in a spray bottle works best. Any cleaner that contains ammonia or abrasive cleansers should not be used on this surface.